What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over the AMA summary, and we're also going to be doing a technical analysis in Baby Doge. So stay tuned. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, not in this financial advice. But let's talk about Baby Doge, because we actually have a lot forming up in Baby Doge right now. And what we just now had was the AMA today for Baby Doge's birthday. So that's exactly what we want to do first. First thing I want to talk about here, Certic. They literally just now made this post about Baby Doge, congratulating Baby Doge. And if anyone doesn't know out there, Certic literally audits all of the cryptos, almost all cryptos on like Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum as well. So it's just really big to see that they're studying Baby Doge and that they see our growth and that they actually believe in Baby Doge. Like, they wouldn't make a post about us if they didn't believe in us. So that just kind of says how secure Baby Doge is as a project. And it definitely speaks volumes because Certic, they're the largest auditing for cryptos out there. And they're literally shouting out Baby Doge. So that shows that we're secure and that this isn't a rug pull. You know, a lot of people say Baby Doge scam, Baby Doge rug pull, they scammed me, blah, 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 because they bought in on the hype and then they sold out when the hype was gone. But see, what people need to do, they need to buy when it's not hyped, like how the crypto market and everything is down right now. Literally, you go anywhere, you see everything is down. So if you buy it now, you literally have the potential to just outweigh everyone inside of this whole thing, because most people are going to be buying at the top. Let's be completely honest. But right now, if you're buying it now, this is not the top. I definitely do believe there is some room to go down. We're going to be going over this technical analysis today and why I believe it's going to continue to go down from here. But yeah, there's a lot going on with Baby Doge. Let's hit this refresh button. You'll probably see it a little bit higher. So yeah, we're still trying to get some of those gains back. But yeah, that's pretty big Certic doing that. And yeah, as well as this, they also announced that 50 quadrillion could possibly be burning on ETH, which I don't think matters as much because it's Ethereum. We're really trying to get burned on Binance Smart Chain, not Ethereum. But it's still good either way. I think they need to change this to the Binance Smart Chain though. But yeah, over here you can also see we're trending on Twitter with Baby Doge, 32K tweets today. That's huge. So yeah, that's really big for us. But let's go over the AMA real quick. So the first thing for the AMA, they say CoinMarketCap refuses to verify Baby Doge despite all information provided by developer teams. So that was the first thing that they talked about. And then the second thing over here is, and also big shout out to Ultra243 for posting the summary on here. So we wouldn't be here without that. I'll have to go like it later. But anyways, third-party company banks, they also worked on Ledger and Tezos card. It's working on Baby Doge crypto card. And devs were told it will be done in December 2021, but it's taking longer than expected. So we might not even see this until December 2022, to be completely honest, if it's taken a while and they had some complications. But at least they have a third party working on it, and that's banks. So at least they actually have that, and they helped work on the Ledger and the Tezos card. So that's definitely really good for us. And then over here, we get the wearables as well. So, and this is for the whole metaverse. So the wearables and 3D NFTs probably launching this month. So I guess that's the biggest takeaway from this whole thing. In my personal opinion, I think this is the biggest takeaway, that in this month is pretty much going to be as soon as we're going to have something big. And I think the wearables could be big. You know, I don't really do all that metaverse and NFTs and all that, but a lot of people do that, and it's getting really big right now. But anyways, they say 3D NFTs will be either airdropped on Binance, a smart chain, or people will have to claim them and pay gas fees on Ethereum. Not decided yet. And then this fourth question over here, well, fourth summary of the question, they say holding for Baby Doge swap to be launched at the end of June or at the end of July. Baby Doge holders will be rewarded with lower fees. So that's a big statement right there. The swap being launched at the end of June, and June just started, or the end of July. So within the next 2 months, we're going to be getting the swap as well. So that's pretty big. So within the next month, we should be getting the NFT wearables this month in June, and then in the next 2 months, we should be getting the Baby Doge swap. So that's pretty good. Also, the launch of Baby Doge community voting on proposals, 1 token equals 1 vote / launch of Baby Doge forum today. So it's pretty cool. And then first voting proposal will be held for Burn for Ethereum, or that's pretty much the thing that he's now went over. I still think that it should be Binance Smart Chain, and we shouldn't even be focused on the Ethereum Burn. Not many people use the Ethereum Baby Doge at all. You can actually do some comparisons here, and they really don't. People really don't like using Ethereum. Let's be completely honest. Ethereum or Binance, like most people flood to Baby Doge because it's on Binance. So yeah, 3.5K people here on Ethereum. I don't think we really need to be burning Ethereum Baby Doge. We need to be burning the normal Binance Smart Chain Baby Doge. But yeah, anyways, moving on to the next thing. So the burn today is going to be 3 quadrillion or 4 quadrillion. They still haven't announced it yet on their Twitter, but they should be doing that soon. So hopefully they do that soon. And if I'm not mistaken, they still only have the few tweets that they did today for Baby Doge right now. But yeah, we still have to wait for that, the actual official announcement on their Twitter. But yeah, we know it's going to be 3 quadrillion or 4 quadrillion. Probably going to be 4 quadrillion since it's Baby Doge's birthday. And then over here, staking and liquidity mining on Baby Doge Swap for other tokens. And then well-known tokens will have swap fees. So that'll be on the Baby Doge Swap. And other less known tokens will have 0% swap fees to attract more users. And Baby Doge wallet will be connected with Baby Doge crypto card. That's pretty big. And then over here, swap audit is done / finished by Certic, 9 smart contracts. So for the swap, they already have all 9 smart contracts finished. They're just waiting to release it, and I guess they're just doing some promotion before they do that. Now, new charity donation yesterday will be posted later, so that's pretty big as well. Baby Doge aims to become one of the biggest Web3 companies. That's also true. They do have a LLC, so over here, part of 71 quadrillion tokens, which are locked, might be used as staking reward for Baby Doge swap users. And that's actually pretty big. We're going to be getting into DeFi, so that's going to be really big for us. And then US laws make international donations complicated. And I guess that's Baby Doge trying to donate to people outside the US, and the law just made it complicated, I guess. Then over here, 2 Baby Doge games are already in development. They show you the wearables that'll be there. And then over here, no plans to create Baby Doge stablecoin. Thank God, we don't need that right now. But anyways, portion of Baby Doge swap fees will be used to buy back and burn Baby Doge. So that's definitely good. We need more burns and more buybacks. And over here, you see they say you will be able to withdraw fiat money with the Baby Doge credit crypto card in ATMs. And it's not fully confirmed yet, but at least it is fully confirmed that we're still getting the card. And then over here, they say anyone can list their coin / token on Baby Doge Swap. Project needs to be doxed and audited. And I think that's pretty good because it definitely helps that the projects are doxed and all that. So yeah, that definitely helps. There's a lot of major projects where the people aren't doxed, and there are some where people are doxed and they still scam. But I think it's best to have a doxed project. But over here, it says Pancake Swap charges around $1 million for launching Token Farm, and Baby Doge Swap will be almost free and easy to set up. So these are all pretty good points for people to start using Baby Doge. I think it's a really good AMA that they had. I definitely think that they could have did a little bit more better with the questions. Like we want to know about like the utilities that's coming up, like the exchange, the card. They talked about the card and they talked about the swap as well. But I think I really want to hear something about like an exchange or, because they did mention something about an exchange. So I want to hear some more stuff like that. But this is still good for us. It's still good to get the swap and all that. It'll be really good for Baby Doge. But moving on to the next thing. We already talked about, the burns that's going to happen today, about 3 to 4 quadrillion. So right now, it does not reflect that yet. But we will see that soon. Whenever it does come up, I'll make a video letting you know when we have our major burn. But yeah, we're not getting that burn yet. I don't know when they're going to announce it, but sometime today they should announce it. Anyways, we burned $51,000 inside of Baby Doge today. That's pretty big. But yeah, let's do some technicals here with Baby Doge. As you can see, it does look like Baby Doge is now pulling back here to this support. It's pretty much at the 8Z1081 support. That's where we had that support set up. Now, we got rejected twice, as you can see over here. That's once, and then that's twice. But one reason that I think this could be a bullish signal is because the high is actually becoming higher. So let's go ahead and take that off. You can see the previous high was down here at 1807, and then the new high was set at 1991 or somewhere around the 1990 area. So that's pretty significant that our highs are becoming higher. This could be a bullish signal. So I think this could be true. Now, if we were to pull back, we could see a pullback all the way down to like 1240, or possibly even below that. And I think this is more so like 1250, but possibly more below that, all the way down here to the 1100 area. So we could see that pullback. But remember, this is the 4-hour chart. If we look over here at the 15-minute chart, it's going to show you a little bit different, movements. And it may look a little bit more bullish actually when looking at it in this perspective, because right now we are about to hit the support down here. but it kind of stopped halfway there. Now, like I said in all my videos, like these indicators, the green indicators are pretty much indicating more demand, and pretty much I use it as a support. And the red ones indicating less demand for the supply and demand, and I use that as resistance. Now, it does show that we just now bounced off that support area, and it's usually always right all the time. So even when we first bounced off this resistance, we literally got rejected all the way down here. But now that we have this as support, we're going to be trying to build up momentum. You're going to see baby Doge building back up momentum to get back up to that 1900 area. Right now we're at 1650, but you're probably going to see it try to get back there. If we get rejected again, then it would be confirmed bearish. But if we continue from there and actually get above where our previous high was, then it'll be bullish. And I think the bullish scenario is probably more likely to happen. I think you're going to see baby Doge getting up to the 2300 level here soon. And that's 8-3 or 8Z23. So if you want to say that, 8 zeros and a 2-3. But yeah, that's where I think baby Doge is going to be coming in the near future. So definitely watch out for that. And let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a good telltale sign of what baby Doge may do, even though baby Doge breaks away from Bitcoin all the time. So yeah, Bitcoin is coming off of an oversold area. You can see here on the oscillator, it shows that Bitcoin is oversold. So one of the biggest things about Bitcoin being oversold is it kind of shows that, or I mean overbought. I was saying oversold. I mean overbought. We're going to be going down here to the support though, around $28,000. So since we're overbought, we're almost 100% going to be hitting 28K again, because a lot of selling is going to happen after that overbought area. And we're still like really bearish here. It says bearish by 60%, but I would say more like bearish by 80%. But yeah, definitely looks like Bitcoin's probably going to hit the support. But look, after the support, we may be able to build up some momentum to go and try to retest that again. But look, we tried it back here. We couldn't get above there. Went back to the support. Tried it again and getting rejected back to the support. I think we might break below $28,000 this time. And let's just be honest, we might break below 28K Bitcoin. So that's something people got to be prepared for. I know a lot of people don't want to see Bitcoin below 28K, but it looks like we're probably going to head back there. Now, over here, it does show that we are coming off of an overbought area. When you do the short term, you just look, we're definitely going to be going down to $28,000 flat. It's not going to just straight out drop all the way down to 26K. But yeah, it is going to drop down to 28K like very soon. And it'll probably be like in the blink of an eye overnight. You're going to see a 28K Bitcoin or something like that. And then once that happens, we can probably try to build up some momentum, possibly to get back below 29K before getting, rejected again. So yeah, I think it's more likely that Bitcoin's going to be hitting below 26K. That's just my personal opinion. But baby Doge, I definitely still see baby Doge is still kind of more bearish, or I mean bullish, because whenever you look over here, yeah, you see we're down 14% for that day. For the last 14 days, literally 72% up. So yeah, we're doing a lot of good numbers here on baby Doge. We did lose a lot last night, but you got to think everything was going down, so they just kind of dragged baby Doge down along with it. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for the technicals and for the baby Doge video. Definitely leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you're a member of the channel, definitely ask me anything. I'll go over anything you want me to go over. If you want to become a member, definitely do that, and I'll go over any videos that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.